Now we are going to discuss consideration to be seen while setting health and safety policy or objectives. We have to see who is going to set the policy. Generally, the mostly senior management or top management is going to set the policy. Second, how the objective is set at different functional level, like giving personal targets at all the level, top management level, middle management levels, and the workers level. Third, legal requirement, standard to be followed, and all the required legal requirement to be met, all the rules and regulation to be met. We have to see the technological options also. If an availability of technology to meet the goals. If any technological option is available, latest technology is available to meet the health and safety goals, so that once we are going to setting the policy objectives, we should consider the technological option also. Financial operations, there should be no conflict between business requirements and financial cost. So we have to allocate the budget for our occupational health and safety management system, that we should analyze properly how much budget we can allocate, how much fund we can allocate, how much money we can give, invest toward the health and safety in our organization. We have to analyze the hazard and risk. It would be relevant for the organization if hazard and risk are considered in the health and safety policies, should not address the trivial matters only. It is saying it not only the small issues, we should consider the significant issues, the major issues we should consider into the once we are going to setting the health and safety policies or health and safety policy objectives. Views of interested parties also to be considered by consultation. Consultation is very important and should be discussed with all functional units. Whosoever all are our interested parties, we should discuss with all the parties. It may be various customers, stakeholders, investors, internal interested parties, and external interested parties. We should discuss their views also, and we should consider once we are going to set the policy or health and safety policy objectives. Thanks.